If you could give away your problems to someone else, who would you pick? Your friend, your ex, maybe your boss. Well, under UAE corporate tax law, companies can actually do this with their losses. Yup, one company's bad year can become another company's tax saving gift. Sounds crazy? Stick around because this is where losing money actually feels like winning. We already spoke about Article 37, where you can carry forward your losses for future years. But Article 38, that is where things get more interesting. It allows one company in a group to transfer its losses to another company that is profitable. In simple words, your bad year can become your sister company's tax discount. If company A makes a loss and company B makes a profit, this reduces B's taxable income, which means the group pays less tax overall. But it is not a free for all. There are some strict conditions. Number 1, both companies must be UAE registered entities. No individuals, no overseas companies. Number 2, ownership has to be 75% or more. Either one owns the other or both are owned by same parent entity, and this ownership should exist from start of the financial year. They must follow the same financial year and same accounting standards, because if one company is on IFRS and other company is on US GAAP, you cannot match the numbers. Number 4, neither company should be a exempt or a qualifying free zone entity. If one already has tax privileges, it cannot play this game. And the last one, finally, the 75% caps still applies. Even after transferring the losses, the receiving company can only offset up to 75% of its taxable income. So let me put an example. Company A loses 300,000 in 2024 and company B earns 500,000 in the same year. With Article 38, company A can transfer its loss to company B. So instead of paying tax on 500,000, B pays on just 200,000. The group saves tax and the both companies look stronger together. The logic is simple. When companies are part of the same group, they are seen as a one team. Supporting group businesses makes the overall economy stronger. But remember, the rules are strict to prevent random companies from trading losses with each other. This is for genuine business groups, not outsiders. Smart groups use Article 38 for planning. One company might take risk knowing that it makes a loss, another profitable group company can absorb it. It's a teamwork, financially speaking. Article 37, use your own losses later on, and Article 38, transfer losses to your group company. Conditions are UAE resident, 75% ownership, aligned books, no exempt companies, and 75% caps. In the UAE, even a business loss can be turned into a smart move. It's not just about damage control, it is about planning ahead. So, if you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more UAE tax insights. Next, we will come with Article 39, which says what happens when ownership changes and suddenly your losses don't count anymore.